Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to Suburban Stations and Trains. Today we are having a look at Mordialloc Station with the new Skyrail opening up very soon. We're going to take a look at that and all the surrounding areas. So I'm looking forward to it. So let's get into it, guys. Hey guys, and welcome back from the intro, and welcome to Mordialloc Station, the rebuild of Mordialloc Station. We've seen this part here before, but it's now only a one platform station, and we're going to take a bit of a look inside. As I said, we've been here before, and we'll have a look here. Just in time for a train. Here we go, guys. Let's have a look at that. Got a train coming in, which is the Frankston train. That's going to be the new Skyrail there. It's very noisy here. There's still got a lot of work to do here basically. I should imagine this is going to be where the new car park will be. I haven't actually seen the plans per se. But very low clearance there, to be honest. We'll have a look at that shortly. But so basically at the moment this is down to one line, and it's very interesting about that middle one. I wonder what that middle one is for. But anyway, these Platform 2 used to be just over there, but now it's gone. As I said, I'll put a link in my descriptions up on top, or yeah, on top of the descriptions. Yeah. I've just seen there's another train actually coming in from Frankston. It's strange to see two trains. They're all very quick. We might have a look at both crossings while we're here. So we'll have a look at this one here. I think this is the new what's the name train? The new. I think it is the new one. I think. First time on my channel we've actually seen the new one. It might be doing testing, but we'll soon find out. I actually don't like the front of it very much. I think the front of it looks a bit boring. Looks like it's half finished. Oh yeah, test train. Currently being tested. Well, this is a bonus, guys, because we can actually have a bit of a look here on this situation. Oh, look at the doors here. It's a bit strange how the doors are like that.
They got these on the dandelions. Hopefully we're going to get them.
Oh, right, okay, yeah. Very strange looking train there. That's what I mean, that design there is not very, very good. Just a quick look inside. There you go. No worries, mate. Have a good one. That was very nice. A quick look inside the train there. And off goes that train to Flynn Street, I think. And nice to talk to the lady who I was just speaking to, just got on that train. And thanks for subscribe too. Thanks, love. And hope you can get down here to have a look at the steam train event in around about 13th, 14th of June. So yeah. Anyway, so we'll turn back the camera back around and have another look. So yes, basically in a nutshell, this is all going to be an area of parkland and so forth. And we'll go down and have a look at the platform down here. This is a little bit new, this part here, because last time we were here this was all fenced in, so this is all sort of opened up a bit now. One thing good about these Mark II episodes, you get to have a bit of a look at what's actually going on. You can probably just tell there, that's where the station, main part of the station will be once it's open. Now this is closing on April 30th, 2026. By the time this comes out, they'll probably be almost open. The opening date for the new one will be the 21st of May. So we'll come back down here and then get all that sorted out. And here's a sign there saying Frankston level crossing free by 2029. So that'll be interesting. And yeah, definitely interesting. And obviously the reason why this is going over is because of this road. I'll just stand here at the moment. So, and an interesting thing here about the low clearance. It's 4.5 metres. Now, I'm assuming that they're going to still have cars running through here once this is all closed up. But I do see a sign or an area where people will be walking into Mordialloc station just there. So it'd be interesting to see what happens when this is all complete. I should imagine this won't be completed for quite some time, probably a few months' time. But this is one of the crossings here, and there's a bit of a, we'll get across here, there's a bit of a plan on what's actually going on. And yeah, so it'd be interesting to see what happens. And the gates are down. That's a train coming in from Frankston in. And another 2-3 weeks, this won't be no more. No more boom gates here at Mordialloc station. We're going to have a bit of a walk over the other side. And here's the old train line here. And this used to be platform 2 line here. You can see the curves going into there. And that's where the station would have been, on platform 2. It's actually looking quite interesting here. But as I said, this is a lot lower than what your standard ones are. The other ones have been quite high. Interesting how they've got all that all together there. Yep, definitely pretty noisy here underneath, and I think we've got a train coming in from the city end. And somewhat a very busy train line, especially when you've only actually got one train line only, and so it'd be a lot of trains come through, and there'll be a lot of people coming out of this station. So what we'll do is we might just go down the other end and have a bit of a look, and that way we're not interfering with other people's faces. Alright, we're walking back where we started, but on the outside of the station. I'm going to turn the camera around here, guys. So anyway, basically once this is all done, they can just have no traffic or traffic going through underneath the bridge. So we're going to have a look at the other crossing and see what we think here. There could be staff here, so we've just got to be a little bit careful and be mindful. They may not want to be filmed. So we'll just turn the camera around at the moment. And this is the other road that's permanently closed here. Oh yeah, so this goes all the way through over the other side, right, okay. As I said, this is basically a construction site at the moment. There's some people working on the line there. I say that girl in the blue hat might be a spotter. These ones in the blue hats might be spotters, maybe. I'm only assuming that. And yeah, so this is where the road used to be. And now it's obviously no road here now because it's all closed off. But I'm not 100% certain if this road's going to go through. Personally, I don't think it will, because this is fairly low here to the ground. As I said, this is about the lowest I've ever seen sky rail to the ground going towards the station, because the station's going to start from up there. So yeah, it's fairly low, but very good progress at the moment. Is that train? I should imagine there'll be a train going to Frankston very shortly. No point me standing over there because it's far away. So we'll wait for the other train coming back the other way, and then yeah, we might sort of wrap it up from there for the moment until basically when it's open in about a month's time. Comic train. And off they go back on the line there. I think they're doing some work there for the points there. I think there might have been a few issues with the train points there, but anyway. Alright guys, I'm just looking at the poster here. That's what it's supposed to look like, guys. So it makes me think they're not going to have any cars here at all. So yeah, so it'll be interesting to see how that goes. And there's the old station. I'm hoping they keep this station. I think they will, because it's an old station, and probably on the heritage list too, maybe, potentially. But I reckon they'll keep this. I'll be very surprised if they don't. Might just ask them when I get a little bit closer in there. And we'll just, yeah, I'll just go in here and have a quick look in here. There's a few people in here. Alright, fix the problem of the flickering lights. Went from 30 frames per second to 20. There you go, there's the station in the background there. I just found out that they're keeping this station. They're going to do a path that goes directly right through to the new station. So that will be quite interesting to, once that happens. And thanks to the gentleman I was just speaking to at the old Mordialloc station. Cheers, mate. And so we're going to go back to the Bluebird because I need to move the Bluebird. I'll tell you an hour's parking there. But anyway, so yeah, and you know, I'll just turn the camera around. This is a nice little area here, cafeterias here. You got the main shops over there, and it's actually quite good. So we can actually walk up here because there's no one here. So the cafeteria here, indoor, partly indoor, away from the elements. And but yeah, it's not bad at all, I must say. And look, there's a bluebird. So anyway, that's all good. I hope you enjoyed this Mark II episode, and as I said, we'll come back for the opening of the new station, and then we'll see what happens from there. And yeah, but anyway, all good. And as I always say, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the X-Wing, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future video content, and always press like because it does really help the channel. And don't forget to comment and share. Until next time, guys, cheers.